Kwaku Oteng. What do my phone or Mugu and Omoya? Won't me control Muahu. Papa, my catcher or second warning, yes, I won't me control Uncle for Muguanum now. Guajumano. Won't me find Crawford Muguan no monkey can say Munu, or Pia Batoba can say Munu, no more than I ever doing my phone or Shawmo. Won't me control more Honoma. Sepe Guajumana, my rob now, and John O'Clock good at that. Kwaku Oteng na adwuma yefo no obi pra otimi hwere Kwaku Oteng nis ka brebe aworo ontimi hwe Kofi Adoma Kwaku Oteng wusika brebe na aworo ontimi hwe Kofi Adoma na munja de no ma ye ho ntoye.
People are asking questions. What happened to Ibrahim Mahama Sikano? Did Ibrahim Mahama pay the money or not? That is the question people are asking because they've seen GoFundMe. And according to the GoFundMe, they are looking for 49 or 50,000 euros. Ebusiame, I send that message to Ibrahim Mahama. But you see, what happened is that Dubai, no? I told you, say one eye was almost gone, the other was a bit okay. One copy of was and the other that was okay, no, also had a challenge. And that challenge also needed surgery. It means that first eye that needed 2 surgeries. Now, could be more. So whatever it is they got from friends, family, including that amount of money from Ibrahim Mahama. And I said it here that it's not 150,000, but it was more than 100,000. I've told you the exact amount now. And that is why you've seen a GoFundMe. To be honest with you, that money went.
For AM Home Care and Nursing Home. No more sure for my own home care and nursing services, elderly day care, medication management, dementia, and Alzheimer care, physiotherapy services, post-surgery care, illness recovery care. Nina say, Ubushu and Ibuka be our choir Sabian Yina Befi. Now for AM Home Care and Nursing Home for ya 24/7. One more Bako Crono, a crab of Faso Efenindro, no more entertaining. Now was one acquire Juma.
And AM Home Care and Nursing Home, Sabina me pay.
Ubutimi Crop Bush for Quacher Waum. AM Home Care and Nursing Home, our fan call Accra and Saum Road. From 0540 344 837 and 0207 859995.
Kwaku Oteng. What do my phone or Mugu and Omoya? Won't me control Muahu. Papa, my catcher or second warning, yes, I won't me control Uncle for Muguanum now. Guajumano. Won't me find Crawford Muguan no monkey can say Munu, or Pia Batoba can say Munu, no more than I ever doing my phone or Shawmo. Won't me control more Honoma. Sepe Guajumana, my rob now, and John O'Clock good at that. And John Ancatana good at that. You bet your word to us, so I send them. Come, watching. I shall call you also don't name sa pontini. Nim to sa pontini is at day, I say, right in a night, but do you say. I send me see, you know, when I'm back with Adoma up to now, when I'm yet at Tree Class of her new Jimmy. Mocas and I about to Yakra. Hey, Papa, on one castle on one brand and once another position, another position, good, I don't know. Sanka, ye been in your position we are. Can it grow into me more? Muchimmy, no. As I saw Panukuta, Papa, no, you good, not outside any more, be antino. Be a funny team, you're not a corner so. More person and I about to Mongum. No better Kofi Adoma horman sana mo ho atomo. Kwaku Oteng na adwuma yefo no obi pra otimi hwere Kwaku Oteng nis ka brebe aworo ontimi hwe Kofi Adoma. Kwaku Oteng wusika brebe na aworo ontimi hwe Kofi Adoma na munja de no ma ye ho ntoye. Na mo so ye sika fo mugu Ghana no. Kofi Adoma pra mutimi hwe no. Muchimi akwasi ampanyi no to be so say atina na wadu ni no se ho ye yawo. Kwaku Oteng na motina adwuma honde mundi ne ho ye yawo. Kwaku Oteng na Kofi Adoma ye na adwuma mundi ne ho ye yawo say owo adwuma ye fo no oni insurance mo na obi pre insurance ni we be so mundi ne ho ye yawo. Munya mmoa ka ye adwuma bra ye insurance en na me ka to se krom ha akora onya adwuma otifie no why insurance ya man fi so betimi bibia betimi asi muchimi no why say mmoa na mugu honom. What a mum pension, Mamma can move on pensionance in even among that tomorrow when you bring a coma, will be a moko in a juma. Mocas, you'll be a sum of jumae. Me cotia metse. I necessary, your friend of my hoa, will be a fee, your friend another my henny own fee, your friend will be a fee, a friend. When it's Jimmy, Magraham. One cast and a vessel, mamma, or snow with you so. Into what in your juma. In Cabo Bob one thing, Ebe good another my henny must say. edi anim guasia be kansem ama President Mahama nua no enyi sika de ma mo wie ye no nka mo sin akofre do ma so mo nsan nya modan mo yale wo nka mo sin akofre do ma so mo nya modan mo jimi no te ba mo ba bontia be kansem hunu no mo anhu nyansa se se ye friend say kwaku Oteng wo honom nti mbo papa da man ye say oya panyin nti ono reach out to domafo no mo kata omo nyina nka mo fi so mo kwaku Oteng ene domahene bo de by force wo pa no boa fi so wo charge ye kwaku Oteng charge sika wo magraham wonim say de waka wisam wo je 100 million na se sika se wo koye se 50 million kwa mo de ma so wo je 10 million kura wo sa doma na koye no na wo video no sa de to YouTube esa ji hu sika di na me tua wo ka nya me tua wo ka na wo gina ho ekeka sansa na wo ye sa ne ma na sa wo ji sika no wie no wo sa de video no to YouTube sa ji sika wo hu di na me tua wo ka kwasia afedi no mo hu nyansa ese de magra wo be ka se Angel TV fo na wo se nko mo na na ajambadu ene do mafo ka bom first now Bible ntine de monti man kasa asem no afede mo hu nyansa se Angel TV no so no ono so wo se ono so che Kofi Adoma fite ono na Kofi Adoma koya aduma ma no nti ono kwa na wo se na aduma e fro wo show na ntemo mo a obi pre wo se timi show mo kwasia magra ma wo tia no wo baketo akora wo no kroma akora keto akora wo no wo ye insurance de ma no so ko se obi ade insurance ne betu ya aboa eti se dipa wa promo mo ye aduma se wo ni insurance mo so obi pre a mo ba bontia President Mahama nua no kam sika ma mo wie no mo se afedo ma afo so mo nya mo de acha mo kora ni Jimmy se ye fredo ma afo na obi amfa afedo mo hu nyansa na mo nim se kwaku Oteng wo ho no ntimba fe kwaku Oteng enye fredo ma afo na ne mo nka mo na mo hu mo obi o betim de aboa ye abo mo ye de wie mo ko fredo ma afo wo fi so mo woro mo nim ko so mo de acha mo kora o mo namba de kwa se mo nya bi na mo fere ya ankoko mo broke mo kora kwasi
no bibi sam say me nua be ma ne ho te say he's still battling that eye problem. That is what I can say for now. I know what I say. One in a year nani ha. Omo buy. Omo koye surgery, fair surgery. Omo buy back to Ghana. Omo sign to omo to. Nana mami who saw omo na mukwan so do obebo mama ye minim de akosie de. I can't give you exactly how he's faring as I speak. To me, exactly what is happening, but he's not out of the woods yet. They met me, I can say he's not out of the woods yet. You see, what I want to address is about the fact that I have seen something on social media about the GoFundMe for Kofi Adoma on social media. In fact, Magraheb and obi friend me bo mama ne say bibi say ekoso e ma hwini bobo so dia to hwini bobo ye obi odna ye adwuma cha. In fact wono na bo me ya ama ne po say Kofi Adoma bibi say ato no. I actually heard about it na my friend wono na ma me insight before I inquired and an ere me say one friend me say wonyame enti na mente ye no na see December Ebusu abra asem ni si ye na hwene bobo ma ne ya ne yere ne me kasa ye no mitu anamo kokosra me nua be ma ne me be katere mo ha me ko ne fi. In fact before the video came out I about ha no sa video no na me hunu e wo ne yere phone so no de atere me dada. Now on fan sending me and she did not give me permission to discuss exactly what happened there. And fia hu kakra ne amanebo kakra o de bo me na mbebo amane wa. Yeah, see any dear many who ya a been a say aboni to. In fact, Nipa or ma didn't call and say, I say, a shita gun her mini about family dear or America. She actually posted that Kofi Adoma has been shot in the eye. And people were wondering if you are shot in the eye, you must die by now. I know, know you're both when you go. Tingrafoso and Yano crack. Oh, I'm one casa no confident that bush and found that serious from the beginning. I would say so. Not because it was not serious, team ye. Idea, one was a coffee on Pecas and one pen was him. And Tim Pebe baby Sani, no person katakata so between handle there. If it's something he can handle. And see ya, Rosso, our baby assembly see ya. Every PM one cry, I fear Doctor for by no no idea I can serious. It's more than just gunpowder, good because it was not just gunpowder, and 2 hours to offer him. And I won't so I'm pro abegun and no. Ya video no said ya kwa and two said the night here. Ya kwabrani atem to the atun and chemu say. Na Kofi position who ye catch so opposition who ye because they to opposition who ye na kwabrani di to kon. The na one in chain more the to kon. The direction of Kofi Adoma and Ananiti Dimakum Nana Nisrao. And they're supposed to be serious of surgeries. Now, why I'm talking about this morning is because of the fact that people are asking questions. What happened to Ibrahim Mahama Sikano? Did Ibrahim Mahama pay the money or not? That is the question people are asking because they've seen GoFundMe. And according to the GoFundMe, they are looking for 49 or 50,000 euros. Ebusiame, I send that message to Ibrahim Mahama concerning my brother. Because already me kwasra na sika ne ya broso na ehu. And that's why I'm more bra ya my bra pa. Me nua Kofi abo bra pa ne yire so abo bra yie. But said the Canada said nipa saba ko entumi nkata nyame ani. Eduru ba bia ya boss kana otum se we die ya abo bra na we die. Egu abusua. Ebo nipa so akum no. Sikafo ya na sikasemo we ebi didi bi achi. Yete ebi didi bi achi upa abo sisi a top 10 Ghanaian richest men in Ghana. And top 10 exactly top 10 richest Ghanaian men in Ghana. But sisi a ube ufe last 10 9 there's a bibi bi achi. The very top one pa no ho. Your waska pa Ghana how? If I don't man penny that idea work for you Makahubi. Oh, you have no idea, you're right? Just type it, you will see. Ibrahim Mahama was pa Bobby Edinanim. Yes, you don't know? Yeah. That's why it was pa Bobby Edinanim. The man who is showcasing cars. Yeah, what's the diamond cars? Who do want private cars? Oh, but a bit of him, Kwakuti was cut. But what did any baby? And see, I send me out to Kwakuti and that's part ya. Be not your one, no, chair support a crack. And now, and what he has said, and walk a crabbit me a becaya dear. Now to me, dear Quaheno. No crying, sir, Bram is sending message. I am Shashian Ibrahim Mahama, friend me. Aya, you're just sending me the unwanted. I didn't see and I'm born a man. What's in a big coffee no crime and Renada? And ya say no Muhia surgery. This is the question he asked me. How much do you need for the surgery? He didn't ask how much is left to be paid. He asked how much. What is the quantum? No credit. Na me anim no credit sabra na menim quantum. Because me Kofi o me nua ban ma me hu says can pay. One mama exact amount. And na me ni exact quantum. Prako penam because she said hundreds of thousands of dollars. Okay? Thousands of dollars. And me catch say $100,000. No, see, I catch them so I'm trying to get see. I'll pay the money. Right now, let them buy tickets. Where are they going to Dubai? Let them go. I'll pay. And I'm framing you about catch say, Madam. Sikan mami who what do was saying. Let me know the quantum. He's ready to pay. At that time, my sister wasn't too sure exactly how much, but she said there has been some contributions here and there. Obi obua ebi anyamisha wat. Obi obua ebi apart from Ibrahim nyamisha. So she told me she's gotten something. What is left is 120, but that will be for surgery. There are two surgeries he's supposed to do. And did you hear by 120? To be catching Ibrahim said by 120. What exact amount he gave was $115,000. Then can't wait out, right? He gave the money 150. But you see what happened is that Dubai, no? I told you, sir, one eye was almost gone, the other was a bit okay. One copy of moves and the other that was okay, no, also had a challenge. And that challenge also needed surgery. It means that first eye that needed 2 surgeries. Now, could be more. So whatever it is they got from friends, family, including that amount of money from Ibrahim Mahama. And I said it here that it's not 150,000, but it was more than 100,000. I've told you the exact amount now. And that is why you've seen a GoFundMe. To be honest with you, that money went. There's no way. Obi better baby, I can say Ibrahim Mahama sikana anko went ya debi. Yes, I know Yame, Obebrain. Yame Empesa. One pobia, the ninso obi at the papabia na mobi or diamao. Yamempe. I didn't ask anybody, and I don't have to ask anybody permission to explain this to you. I'm done with this.